If also I'm here, first chemo ng dog na tinutulungan ko na stray sa American TVT. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about Sasa Girl dropping Heidi Mendoza. So, I don't get the hate on Sasa Girl. Na saying na parang wala siyang pake sa buong bansa and even comparing na parang mas boboto pa niya si Robin Padilla or endorse kaysa kay Heidi just because na-offend siya sa sinabi ni Heidi. I don't know kung napanood niyo yung video ni Heidi. But, ang pantingin tenga ko when she said, sinisiksik yung sarili niyo. Why would you use those words? Diba? Parang, grabe. And the way she talked about LGBT, condescending talaga. So yun, medyo naputol tayo. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, choice si Sasa yan eh. Choice din ni Heidi yan. And, you know, choices have consequences. Pero, iway natin eh. Sino ba dito yung mas nagsasuffer? If you can't even protect the minority, how can you protect the rights ng whole country?